able to get below this. Just throw a hand. Now we're about to hike to the Highlands Waterfall. Alright, so just a small check-in. We're parking on the outside, but you can actually drive in. And we're gonna go to the waterfall. It's a nice solid trek. About 20 minutes in.
I thought Tobago didn't have them.
What? Banga nut.
Gugu bear.
Gugu.
Yellow.
Gugu nut. Eh? Yeah, there's the yellow. But yeah, none on it. So
French people don't know, you know.
yeah. They kinda get the
I tried some not too long ago. I tried explaining that food to somebody and them didn't know what it was.
look here, one down there. You have one it eye. Okay. So Saunders just saw some Gugu nut. Right? Which is that. Ooh, a nice yellow in. See the flowers in there? There's some Gugu nut on the back of the tree. They're not yellow, but shit, he fall. They're not yellow, but you look, them must drop off before time. This one might be able to eat it, kind of soft. Right, so that has been the nuts on the tree. Look what it looks like. You have to crack into this, and you have a nice
this was the primary
spongy. Whatever. Right, so we're taking an uphill climb. This one is like a shorter way to just get to the furthest point that we can get before we reach the river. So took the right. I'm just gonna trot uphill forward. The road get bad. Well, you see where he stopped? He just saying that a chimney could make this, but right, so down to the water, you gotta cross the river. So check out the pomerac tree, laden with flowers, small pomerac's on it, green on top, brown in the bottom. You know that?
They call it star fruit or kaimit.
What? So it's all kaimit?
Yeah, kaimit.
There's no one right.
Nah, that'd be young.
Why does turn yellow or something?
It's kind of brown.
And like this one?
Nah.
But that young, but brown like that.
They will get much bigger. Look up here.
Nah,
Kind of like
so,
a ginger.
pull up a little bush there. Kind of looks like ginger. We're walking past. So you have these, we call them banga or the Gugu nut. These picker, they are really long. This one is kind of soft, but they can get really hard like this. Ow! Right? So the entire picker, if one of this stick here, the point is very pointy. You can hear the noise.
Yeah, they got good cook here, boy.
Eh?
Walk with some meat, seasoned meat.
So we're going up on the top. Right? So you have to do some climbing. And we are going the steps made into the ground. Take your time. Curves. Yeah, so we are going up to the top of this waterfall, and it's gonna be a climb. For those who are weak, that's your climb. You have rope, but there are places to put your foot, so make sure that you are in the right spot. Watch the rope, fall on the tree top mostly.
I don't see the rope come down.
Yeah. The tree is just it's not to really pull your weight on, you know. So you have a rope to climb up. Be careful. So here we are on top of the waterfall. He's struggling. He came from the bush and he's struggling. Alright. So this is where the fun part starts. The water comes down that side and the waterfall is dropping into a pond with a nice area to relaxing.
Take the guilt out of your listening pleasures by indulging in what you love with premium. Download and listen to ad-free music wherever your day takes you, so it's even easier to tune in to what you
I don't do that. I did that.
The water is coming on this side, and that is a super slide. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm getting in this. Woo! Whoa! Water is strong, boy. Crazy, boy. I'm going to slide. Slide and turn. Want to get below this? Just go on. Look it up, baby! So, we're up here on the top of Highlands Waterfall. We're looking down. Right where the water falling, have a ledge. You don't want to jump there. So just push and jump more center. Woo! That time. Take a deep breath and then jump. Right, and jump. Go. Sweet. So we at the falls. Woo! We have a side.